Today in this video I show you how to use Google Drive. For this you have to open Google Drive and sign up using your Google account. The Google Drive is a cloud storage service that keeps your data safe and accessible. If your device storage is full and you want to avoid deleting data, you can back it up to Google Drive. To prevent further storage issues, all you have to do is click on New and then select if you want to upload file or folder. Now select the file you want to upload. You can also upload multiple files at once. Now you can see files will upload like this and you can find them using show file location. You can also move them inside folder you want by just dragging the file like this. Now if you don't have any folder, then make a folder using new. Select new folder and type the name you want. Now you can organize your files easily and share them using this icon. All you have to do is select who can access your file by typing the email address of the person you want to share the file with. If you want, you can also select general access to anyone with the link so that anyone can view, comment or edit your file with the help of link. Now if you need to restore your backed up file, you can download it using this download icon. Now you can also change the layout of Drive like this, and if you click on this settings icon, then you can select the start page, change appearance and density. You can also utilize other Google platforms within Google Drive such as Google Docs, Sheets, Slides and Forms. So this is how you can use Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.